Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X5 key fob battery. It's a simple DIY task that can save you a trip to the dealership. You'll only need a few basic items to get started. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin battery ready, and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool will also come in handy for opening the fob. First, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the physical valet key. This key is essential for manual entry if your fob battery dies, and it also helps us open the fob. Once the key is removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert the valet key or your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently pry the two halves of the fob apart. With the key fob open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it from its housing. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Reinsert the physical valet key back into its slot until it clicks, ensuring it's fully seated. Test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm it's working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and more. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.